Namaskar. Today I am going to share with you a recipe that has been a part of our tradition for many generations. A simple and nourishing drink that has immense power to keep our gut healthy. It is a very powerful drink filled with all essential elements to maintain our gut health. We call it Makai Raab. Our gut is like our second brain. It affects everything from our mood to our immunity. So, how do we keep our gut healthy? By going back to nature, by choosing the traditional recipes that our ancestors lived by. Makai Raab is one such recipe. It's made with simple, wholesome ingredients corn flour, buttermilk, and a few spices. It's not only delicious but also deeply nourishing. So let's understand how to make it. First, we will start by making a buttermilk. If you have yogurt at home, just whisk 1 cup of yogurt with 2 cups of water until it's smooth. This buttermilk is very light on stomach and helps in better digestion. Next, we take half a cup of corn flour or makai atta and roast it gently in a tablespoon of ghee. This roasting is very important because it brings out that nutty flavor. You will know it's ready when the flour turns golden brown and you can smell the aroma. Now slowly add buttermilk to the roasted corn flour and stir continuously. Don't get any lumps, so be patient and stir peacefully. Now add the spices: cumin seed, a pinch of hing or asafoetida, a little grated ginger if you like, and a touch of turmeric, salt to taste, and pinch of black pepper. Let it simmer on low heat for 15 minutes until it thickens to a nice porridge-like consistency, stirring occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. This drink is packed with lots of goodness. The buttermilk is rich in probiotic, which are the good bacteria that helps in balancing our gut flora. Corn flour provides fiber, which helps in digestion and keeps us feeling full and satisfied. Spices like cumin and ginger add warmth and help in reducing inflammation. This raab is not just food, it's a gentle remedy. It soothes the stomach, warms up the body, and brings comfort. Raabs are made of different types. There is another raab which is made out of wheat flour, but here we don't use buttermilk. Here we use milk and add little sweetener, maybe jaggery, and make it into a thin consistency to drink. Children love it. So we should again try different raabs and enjoy its taste and help our gut. Namaskar.